If you're a female founder and you want to level up your Instagram, then stay tuned because I've got the tips that you need for 2023. So what Instagram want you to do is going to be considered spam. The more of these you can add into your strategy, the more results you're going to see. Use their in-app tools for your editing, which I understand is frustrating. The algorithm treat that differently and not prioritize it, and that could affect how you get on the explore page. And one more tip, because I see people doing this in financial services all the time, your hashtags need to be hi, I'm Jen and I run Snowden Marketing. I'm here to help women-owned businesses in financial services to get good with their marketing and make more money. I get it, when you're so busy working in your business, it's really hard to find the time to work on your business and keeping up with all the changes that happen on social media. So I'm here to break all that down for you and help you put it into a simple strategy that's going to help you see more results. So last week, the head of Instagram did an Ask Me Anything on his stories, and he gave out some quite clear signals on what Instagram is looking for from its creators in 2023. So I'm going to break that down for you and let you know how you can apply that to your financial services business. So posting schedules, what does that look like? There is no magic formula. So what I say to my clients is what is sustainable will lead to success. And what you can consistently do is what is going to give you the most results. So if that means posting 3 times a week, then that's great. You do that. There is no magic formula to unlocking going viral in terms of volumes of posts. Now, people that do post more often see success more quickly because they just have more information out there. If you're running your business full time and you don't have the marketing resource and support to commit to that sort of schedule, that's absolutely fine too. What Instagram does want you to do is use all of its features. So grid posts, carousels, reels, behind the scenes on stories, interactive stories. The more of these you can add into your strategy, the more results you're going to see. The next thing that they spoke about, which we've known for quite a while, is that if you're repurposing content from one platform to another and that content is watermarked, i.e. you're turning your TikToks into reels, you are going to see the algorithm treat that differently and not prioritize it, and that could affect how you get on the explore page. Now, I always tell all my clients that repurposing the content is absolutely key to having a sustainable marketing strategy. So what that would mean if you want to be repurposing your videos is that you're going to have to edit it somewhere else, like an InShot, for example. So what Instagram want you to do is use their in-app tools for your editing, which I understand is frustrating. As a TikTok user myself, their editing tools are a lot slicker and a lot easier to use. Now, I know if you're working in financial services, if you're a financial advisor or an insurance broker or a mortgage broker, it can feel quite icky to show up online in that way. So hats off to all the amazing creators out there that have done that and are really tapping into it. This year, Instagram has said that there will not be such a focus on Reels. It has listened to the feedback it received. It is giving an equal opportunity to carousels, grid posts, and Reels altogether, which means if you're not comfortable showing up online in that way, your other content still has a chance. I will say, though, that there does seem to still be a lingering effect from this, in that the Reels that I put out there do tend to perform better than my static grid posts. However, it depends what your goals are with your social media. And again, it comes back to what you have the capacity to actually do. It's not dog day, it's content day. You're stealing the show. The other thing he was very clear about is your hashtag strategy. And the message was less is more. And this is why it's so important that in the terms of your bigger marketing strategy, you're really clear on your mission or your vision or your why and who it is that you're creating content for. So it's no longer about 20 plus hashtags on a post. You're not going to see the engagement from that. It's going to be considered spam. It's about really niching down and thinking who you're creating for. Hashtags are still relevant. Instagram has said that, but they are moving towards search optimization. So you want to make sure that keywords are throughout your posts, your captions in your videos, and your captions in your post. And that's going to give you the best chance possible of getting your content seen online. If you're not sure how to really niche down on your hashtag strategy, my approach is I look at 2 hashtags for who my content is for. So I produce a lot of content for financial advisors, for women working in financial services, and female founders. So that's who my content is geared towards. And then I also look at what my content is trying to achieve. So is it social media tips? Is it marketing strategy? Is it digital strategy? And then I put those in as well. And that is really the core of what my content is trying to do. Feel free to apply that to your next post and let me know how you get on. And one more tip, because I see people doing this in financial services all the time, your hashtags need to be in your caption, not in your first comment. So if you're putting them in your comments, switch them over, get them in your caption. That's where you're going to see the best results. We'll be releasing a power up pack for Instagram soon, which is going to talk about all the core features that you should be using and the best strategy for implementing them, from what to do with your bio to what you should be doing with your grid. This is a great tool if you're just starting out, or you can use it as an audit for your current channel to make sure everything's working as efficiently and effectively as possible. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more every week to help demystify marketing for female founders in financial services. You can also catch me on Instagram @Snowden Marketing. See you soon.